So the modding continues, and I got this. Oh, like, what the heck is that? I got this carbon fiber e-brake. So this is just a quick install. I got this off of eBay. It was only like 30 bucks. Nice little cheap update. The carbon fiber looks good, looks clean, the weave looks nice. So let's do an install. For this install, you just need a zip tie and a pry tool. I'm gonna use this pry tool too, just in case. Let's get started. Okay, so one of the first things I'd recommend doing is putting your car in gear and shift this into the park position. So you can use a pry tool, and I'm finding that you can even just use your fingers to kind of just pull this up. It just pulls right off. And as you can see, these tabs are still pretty strong. So after a few minutes, you have to press down on the button, pull out. Voila! Make sure this is up. That's how it looks like. So I got a new zip tie. What I'm gonna do is just feed it around and just tie it, feed it around and tie it right up. Get it nice and tight. There we go. And try to make it as tight as I can. Then let's cut off the excess. Do I have scissors anywhere? Where are my scissors? Oh, found them. There we go. So let's feed it back through. And voila! That's a new shift knob. Oh my god. I did it upside down. Did I do it upside down? Yeah, I did do it upside down. Shoot. Let me fix that. So, I fixed it right up. Make sure that it is fitting correctly. So, I still need to turn it just a bit more. Let's see. Let's see. Is that even the right way? Okay, I think that's it. There we go. So that is what it's going to look like. As you can see, carbon fiber versus the leather. It's a nice little upgrade, fairly cheap, I'd say. There we go. So, oh gosh. Here we go. This is the install. You just feed it right back through. Make sure it's nice and straight. You have to muscle it in. There we go. And let's plug this back in. And it's gonna clip right back in. Got one more clip up here. There we go. There we go. Let's pull it back just a little bit. Man, this is tight. Whew. There we go. that is it. I think I can feed it in just a little bit more. There we go. Whew. Man, I'm sweating. Well, that only took like 10-15 minutes, and I'm probably sure that most of you can get it right the first time and not put it in upside down like I did. But there we go. It is in. Here's a quick look. There we go. Not bad, I'd say. Not bad.